Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. It's 4th of November 2025 and starting with Forex Factory. Let's see what's happening. And in terms of news for USD, we don't have any USD news, heavy impact news. And Wednesday, we have 1:15 and 3 p.m. We got heavy impact news, ADP, non-farm employment change, that's a heavy impact. On Thursday, we have none of the have impact news in the US dollar unless you trade on other pairs. And Friday, you got a few have impact news at 1:30. We got average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate. These are the have impact news. Right. Now, coming onto the chart in gold, see, there's currently range in gold, but let's start with monthly. The huge rejection in monthly. It's first week of the month. So currently, the strong area in monthly is this. This is a strong area. And then we have point of interest here. In monthly, and then let's see if we can find something in weekly. The weekly, this test area has already been almost tested. However, in monthly, it hasn't been tested yet, which indicates that if the bullish trend continues, we may see more because weekly is tested, so we may be able to see further move to the upside. Also, this huge rejection, it means most of the time, it means 1 second, sorry. Yes, okay. The rejection usually means that market may come down. However, in the context, looking at the bullish scenario, it may be a big fill, but what that means, the market may go to the upside of this week, and then we'll see further what's going to happen. But nothing is final in market. We always look for probabilities. So that's 4 hour ad in daily and weekly. Sorry, first of all, and the weekly is a huge rejection from this side. You can see, and it's if we use the fib tool from here to this level, it's almost 0.38. The market may reject from this level weekly. However, if we use this tool from here, we considering this start of this wave, then it's already tested the 0.38 level. In fact, it already came to the 0 point down to this level. So that's what it is. And daily and 4 hour. Let me remove this fibber tool now. Since the market has become bearish, it has made a double top and then broke this level and this level, tested it, and then made another double top here and broke this level. And currently, the market is rejected from here. So in terms of waves, we have this. So it's possible that we may see another test here. But that's one scenario. Another scenario can be if the market is coming down further, then it will break this, maybe range here for a bit, and then break this and keep coming down. So currently, 1 hour, break of structure coming down, and now it's not breaking the structure. But this break of structure is now very aggressive, so it's highly likely the market can come down here to the bottom side here before it gives us another move. That's 1 hour, and you can further enlarge in 15 minutes and see what's happening in 15 minutes. Let me remove this. With 15 minutes here. Going to 1 hour. But there's a big range here. So unless market breaks this range, we probably won't have any good movement. This is a range area. So we always can take some smaller trades. This is the level in 15 minutes. Market took the liquidity, and now if further move to the downside, we can expect So this is the situation in gold at the moment. So unless this range is broken and we have a good run in multiple time frame, and then it's hard to take any good trades. I hope this is helpful and thank you very much and have a good day, good night. Thank you. Bye bye.